Hello, how to solve this nice math problem? 5 to the power of s multiplied by 5 to the power of s multiplied by 5 to the power of s is equal to 15. Solution. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of m, this is equal to a to the power of m plus m plus m. Then here we have 5 to the power of s plus s plus s is equal to 15. Now we have 5 to the power of 3x is equal to 15. We can take the log of both sides. Log 5 to the power of 3x is equal to log 15. If you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b log a. Then this can be written as 3s log 5 is equal to log 15 can be written as log 5 multiplied by 3. And also, if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then this can be written as 3x log 5 is equal to log 5 plus log 3. Now we can divide both sides of this equation by log 5 divided by log 5. This divided by log 5. And this divided by log 5. This will cancel this. This will cancel this. Then we have 3x is equal to 1 plus this log 3 divided by log 5 can be written as log 3 base 5. But we are looking for the value of s. Then we can now divide both sides by 3. This divided by 3. This will cancel this. S is equal to 1 plus log 3 base 5 divided by 3. And this is the final answer. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 5 to the power of s multiplied by 5 to the power of s multiplied by 5 to the power of s is equal to 15. Then, if s is 1 plus log 3 base 5 divided by 3, we have 5 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 5 divided by 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 5 divided by 3, then multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 5 divided by 3. Everything must be equal to 15. Then we know that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Then the whole of these can be written as 5 to the power of 3 bracket 1 plus log 3 base 5 then divided by 3. This will cancel this. Then we have 5 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 5. Then must be equal to 15. Then from here, this is 5 to the power of 1 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 3 base 5 must be equal to 15. Then if you have a to the power of log b base a, this is equal to b. Then the whole of this can be written as 5 multiplied by, then this is 3, must be equal to 15. Therefore, 5 times 3, that is 15, is equal to 15, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.